Have you ever changed your opinion just to be liked? Or posted something online, not because it mattered, but because you wanted likes, hearts, approval? You're not alone, but you're also not free. According to a 2023 study by the American Psychological Association, 7 in 10 young adults say their self-worth depends on online feedback. Let that sink in. Now ask yourself, how much of your life have you spent living for applause that fades in seconds? How often do you shrink just to be accepted? This video, this moment, might just change everything. We're diving deep into the roots of validation addiction, why it happens, how it controls your choices, and how to rewire your mind to live from real confidence. So, if you're tired of being everyone else's version of you, and you're ready to meet the real you, hit like, subscribe, and drop in the comments. What's the biggest approval you've been chasing? Let's begin. Signs. You're trapped in validation addiction. You're constantly worried what people think. You can't make a decision without polling your friends. You replay conversations in your head, wondering if you sounded weird. You post, and then anxiously check your phone every 5 minutes. You say yes, even when you want to scream no. You compare, shrink, perform. Your mind is not free. It's rented. And the landlord? Public opinion. Let me tell you what's really happening in your brain. Each like, compliment, or positive reaction gives you a hit of dopamine. That's the same chemical released when you eat sugar or win a bet. And just like sugar, too much external validation rewires your brain to need it, to chase it, to depend on it. Over time, your true self goes into hiding, and your nervous system stays on high alert. Am I enough? Do they like me? Did I do okay? The price of approval. Here's the dark truth. The more you chase validation, the more fake your life becomes. You stop creating. You start conforming. You become addicted to safety. You build a career based on other people's expectations. You stay in relationships out of fear of being alone. You look successful, but inside, you feel like an imposter. Because deep down, you know, this isn't even me. I knew a man who built his entire identity around impressing others. Suit, salary, lifestyle. But when he was alone, he didn't even know what music he liked anymore. He quit, cold turkey, sold everything, moved to a tiny town. Why? Because he was tired of being liked by everyone, but loved by no one, especially himself. What self-validation really looks like. Real confidence doesn't shout. It doesn't need applause. It sits quietly inside you, grounded, still, and secure. Self-validation is this. You do the right thing, even when no one sees it. You're proud of yourself, without needing a comment section to confirm it. You approve of your values, your choices, your journey. That's not arrogance. That's alignment. So how do you get there? Let me show you. Rewiring the brain for inner power. The brain is plastic. No, not like a bottle. Neuroplastic. It means your thoughts and habits literally shape the structure of your brain. Want to stop needing validation? Rewire the loop. Here's how. Step 1. Daily mirror work. Every morning, look yourself in the eye. Say out loud, I am enough. I am proud of who I'm becoming. I don't need to be liked to be worthy. Step 2. Internal scorecard. Each night, journal. What did I do today that aligned with my values? Not what looked good, but what felt true. Step 3. Boundaries as self-love. Say no once a day. Not to be rude, but to remind your nervous system. It's safe to disappoint others. You are not here to be convenient. You are here to be real. From approval to authenticity. You were not born to be a mirror. You were born to be a light. No more chasing likes. No more shrinking to fit. No more outsourcing your worth. You are enough. And the moment you stop seeking validation, is the moment you start radiating truth. So now, I want to hear from you. What belief are you choosing to release today? Drop it in the comments. Like this video if it spoke to your soul. Share it with someone who needs this reminder. And subscribe, because this channel is about truth, healing, and power from within. Remember, you don't need to be liked. You just need to be you.